Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Today, we'll discuss about the concept called as a movement types. Yesterday, we seen one of the movement types called as a ZN1. That is generally, we choose to take the stocks into our inventory. What is mean by movement type? What is mean by movement type? It is like one of the control function for the inventory. These will indicate like the stock transfer from one location to another location, goods issue like location to outside or incoming stocks, outgoing stocks, scrapping. Whatever it may be, the movement of the material can be controlled by the movement types. In the standard system, we have around 300 plus movement types available in the system. And based on that, we are using. These movement types are some standards. Is there? It's not required to. You need to create the movement types. But sometimes we need to enhance. If business required anything and if we want to create something new, we can create that one. This is our user request. 26123. Where is that configuration in there? SSP, our reference IMGC material management, inventory management and fiscal inventory. Movement types. Here you can see copy change to movement type here. Here into select this movement type. Here you can see from name to name. Here already there is a 300 plus movement type system. If you want to create a new movement type generally, if you want to go ahead for the some basic level customization, then not basic level. If you want to do some kind of customization can be happened like apart from the standardization. Some things will be happened like cannot control the trade, but it will be handled. In that case is what will happen. We need to do some enhancements. Generally 99%, we won't create the new movement types. But in that one case, like where the business required some enhanced functionality, at that time what we will do? What is the functionality then faster we will understand that one. And we will copy from that related to the movement type and will create a new movement type. It is not like that directly new entry you can see here. There is no new interest available here. What you need to do is you need to copy and create something new and you need to make it. That way we are using here. It will take a lot of time if I copy one momentum. Well, copy 5 and 61. I will select this one. Click on copy. Everything will be now copied like here. It will ask what is the new momentum. I'll make it as a Z61. It will take generally a lot of time. 300D. No, that before page you copied from. It's default. 561 is a standard default. All the movement types should be default. Whatever we do this now. All the movement types. Suppose if you need anything needed, you can create some other new. Generally, this standard is there already. You want to bifurcate a standard and you want to create something extra. The time only we will go for it. And once you do this one, you need to do a lot of configuration in the backend. I will tell you. There is a concept called as an accounting determination data. You can see like how this movement type will be linked to that particular thing. Next is GRF law. The concept is now I want to take the goal sheet. I'm not created any, but I want to take it as a goal sheet. How will do me go? Here we need to take the goal sheet. Here we need to maintain as other. Keep on entering. This 60. This just check it. Now you see, there is one more issue. GOB is not there. Where will do this one? OBSE. What is that issue? Go to GOB. Come down. Generally, this offsetting interest will be there in the ZBB. We'll see here it is 0. Here it is. This one, click on copy. What is this one? Valuation classes. In see here you can define anything 3000, 5000. That guys depends 0.0. Click on check. I think we need to come back. Or what we'll do, we'll enter. Then before doing that one, we need to see the stock. Always in the middle moment type. What do you need to consider? You need to consider stock moment where it is at the stock. you know it is a 10. Now what we'll do? Check and post. Now Mitchell document is done and you refresh this one. Now the stock is increased. Here again, you need to see the accounting entries. This and click on this one, click on that side. What is our accounting entries? See, now you know entry is a debit, consumption is credit. Will be happen if you want to do them without people. Also, you can take the stock into our consideration. Next, we will see scenario where we want to create an automatic view. JR without you. What is the moment type? 5 for a 1 and fourth one is automatic view. Automatic view. Generally, how these things will be handled like automatic view of creation. Now, business don't want to create any purchase order manually. They want to convert like the requisition into order automatically in the market. In that case is like we need to follow some configurations. What does that? First one is, if you want to create an automatic view of it in the material master report, there is a button called as a auto indicator, auto view. This we need to take. Second one is in vendor master. Inventor master. The auto view indicator will be there. Auto view of creation that also need to link. Then in the configuration like material management. Inventory management. Good, create a PO automatically. Here the moment types like 101. Generally, we will take the difference to good. 61 is done. I mean reversal. These moment types, we need to make it as a marker. I think. And the fourth thing is that is called as I enjoy transactions. Inventory management. Settings for enjoy transactions. To settings for enjoy transactions here. For Fenhan1 moment type and Aliyafina, which is a vendor. For that we need to make it as an optional entry. These are the 4 configurations we need to consider and like. We need to create the PO faster automatically without having anything like. We can create a PO in the 2 ways. From the P, R, you can create automatically PO and auto directly when you're doing the GR automatically the PO need to create. For the both scenarios, we need to do this configuration. We'll see in the system like MLU2. What is the plan? There is an indicator, auto queue indicator. You need to make it as a slit. This is the first setting. This is the first setting. Next, what is RVP? This one we are doing. Order creation. Double select this one. Go to the role. FLV click on enter in 100. Go to the purchasing. There is one more configuration. There is an indicator called auto queue. This configuration we need to do. Two configurations we need to do. Then you need to go to SPR work. Reference AMG material management. Purchasing material management. Create PIO automatically. This is a configuration. N61. Basically, this configuration is already there. We're not required to anything new. It's already existing configuration, just we need to ensure whether it is there. Generally, once everything is done in the configuration is not there, it won't create PO. That's what we'll do. We'll ensure this configuration is there or not. This is one of the configuration. The next one is SPR work reference AMG to material management. Inventory management settings for goods movement. Next is field movement for movement types. For this one, it should be optional entry, not a mandatory. We need to do this one. You need to maintain optional entry. The concept. Now, this is a configuration we need to perform. Now what we'll do? We'll create directly. Let me go. What is the thing? Good to see it. Now 0. And here the moment I will change the 1 on 1. Here I am making 1. Here's now. We need to see some configuration. some issue that has not been created for the purchase organization. 1810. Can you check why this error is coming? See beginning. No. Where is maybe the configuration? Guess it. Maybe the configuration. We're getting this one. No, and it is a link to food. It should not act. This is one configuration. Next, another configuration. It is not. Now, it should not. You will get a lot of things at that time. But as like difficult. No one used to tell the project how it can be happen. Yesterday, they used to tell what they know because all the guys is don't know anything like, even though I'm like working on some SAP. All business, they don't use anything. What they use is and are at the time servers also not working. Like once I really work on several. That kind of situations. This is how the scenario, like a creative view. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.